Hello everyone. So in this module, we will learn how you can manage your library. So in the previous modules, we have seen we can add our publication into our library and how we can organize, and now how we can manage it, how we can use all those features that are available in Mendeley Reference Manager, how we can manage our library, how we can manage our publications. So here goes, this is a view of our Mendeley desktop, and here you can see that I have marked in a rectangle that we have recently added, recently read, favorites and needs review. So it shows all items in your personal library. Items added in the last 2 weeks will go into the recently added, and this will give you access your recently read items that you have recently go into those publications. Then all items that you have starred in your library, it can be important one as per your need. And then there are some items in need of review that you have to review, you have kept in the needs review folder. So these 5 features are available on the left hand side under the my library column, where you can manage your publications. Then on the right hand side we have many things, so let us go one by one. One is author. Here you can use the column headings to order your references. If you would like to order all your publications as per the authors, as per the year of publication, as per the title of the paper or publishers, so whatsoever your preference is, you can set all your publications according to this particular heading. And then this green button shows, it will mark the entries read or unread. So this particular button. And then this PDF icon shows entries with attached PDFs can be opened with the PDF reader. So there is a PDF reader inbuilt with Mendeley Reference Manager. So this all the publication that comes with this particular icon of PDF shows you can open this file with the PDF reader. That means this paper is linked with this heading of any you can say that your publication, and it can be opened. And then we have also shown you the starred. So if this particular publication is important to you, you can mark it as a starred, and star items to mark them as favorite. So it will go into your favorite section. So this shows all the documents, and then recently added, recently read can be taken from here, and favorites can be seen, those who are marked star, and PDF icon will show you that this publication can be opened, and this green icon will show that you have marked the entries read or unread. And you can also sort all your publication as per this heading. So this is very simple, and once you have gone through these features, you will be much able to retrieve all the details quickly. And then you can also create a folder in your Mendeley Reference Manager. And after you create the folder, suppose you are planning to sort it down through the subjects. So economics is there, history is there, philosophy is there, politics is there. So whatsoever your publication lies in line with these subjects, you can move your publications to under these folders, and all those references that are not added to any folder will be appear in unsorted. And then your folders will be listed below. You can drag and drop to reorder them. You can directly drag and reorder your all the folders in which you have kept your references. And then you can also create a folder to enter a new folder name. Obviously these all the folders have been created using this particular button, create a folder. So you can create a folder with different publishers, like all the papers that are published in IEEE can go under a folder name IEEE, then ACM, Elsevier, or any other publisher you have published your papers. So that can be created at different folders, and all the references goes into those specific folders. And then it is very easy to search your documents in Mendeley Reference Manager. Directly you can have enter your search term in the search field, like here it is as a chemistry. then the main view will be filtered accordingly. Once you have put any keyword here in the search field, then it will give you all the publications related to that particular keyword, and then click on the specific folder to search within it. If you would like to search in the new horizons, example, history, philosophy, the folders you have created, then also you can click on that particular folder and it will show you all the links, all the references that has the keyword which you have entered into the search field. Then you can use the clear button to remove the search filter. If you are done with it, you haven't find or you have found, then you can accordingly clear it. And then Mendeley search tool will look at reference metadata, but will also search within the full text of PDF paper. This is really something good. Suppose you have published a paper on artificial intelligence and but you forgot all the details, then you can directly go to the search field. You can add the artificial intelligence, and there may be the case that artificial intelligence is not coming into the title of your reference, into the title of your publication, then but that word is coming into your published paper in the PDF, and if you have PDF attached with your publication, then definitely it will search within the full text of PDF paper, and that search will give you the results that you needed. So it is very easy to search your documents in Mendeley, and it gives you much reliability, or you can say that efficiency of finding your papers using the keyword. Along with metadata, there is search within the full text of PDF as well. So here you can see that there is an option of tag. So you can attach the tags to your paper in your library which share a common theme. And as we discussed, if you have 10 papers on artificial intelligence, 5 papers on machine learning, and 5 papers on mobile radiations, and 5 papers on free and open source software, so you can attach different tags to your common theme published paper, so that it will be easier for you to recognize your papers. And of course, when you are searching your documents, you can it will be helpful for you also, because we have filter by my tags. So here you can see on the left hand side there are many tags. So whatsoever tag you will be selecting, it will give you the search results also. And then you can use the filter menu to filter your library view to only include the tagged items. So this is really good, that if you are searching as per the tags, because suppose here is a tag that is fluid dynamics, and fluid dynamics comes under a tag also, under a title also, and under a PDF text also. So you can specifically select that now you are searching your Mendeley reference manager for your document under the tag option. This shows use the filter menu to filter your library view to only include the tag item. So let us go to the arrow and it will bring you here that you are filtering through my tags. You can also filter by author keywords and publications that goes here. So these types of searches are available in Mendeley Reference Manager. Not only it's just a search, but it will also give you different angles to search your document. If you are aware of your tags, you are aware about the author keywords and publication, then that very quickly you can retrieve your publications. And then there is an option of checking for duplicates. Suppose you have uploaded your publication in Mendeley Reference Manager manually also, you have uploaded the PDF also, and somewhere in the internet you have used Mendeley Web Importer also. So your reference manager will have 3 publications, but unfortunately all 3 publications are same. So here you can see that there are 3 publications, and you can see 2 are duplicates. So you can go to an option of check for duplicates, and this will help you to find out which publications are duplicate, and you can simply delete that publication. So it generally happens on Google Scholar as well. Sometimes Google Scholar automatically gives you your publication, or you have added manually also. So similarly here you can also add your duplicates, but yes, you can search, you can check for the duplicates, and you can delete it. So here we see how we can manage our library. So we will meet in our next module. Thank you.